Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum tray with the Lucas Oil metal polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this Lucas Oil metal polish and place it on our Scott Blue shop towel. Then we're just going to rub it into this aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. Wait for it to dry. Then we're going to wipe it away with another Scott Blue shop towel to reveal a mirror shine. Lucas metal polish is formulated to clean, polish, and protect aluminum while delivering a deep, maximum luster shine with very little effort. It's acid-free and ammonia-free, making it safe for regular use on bare metal surfaces. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.